Student, now our today topic is stem and leaf. As you know, there are different ways to explain or describe a statistical data in different forms of statistical diagram. Stem and leaf, one of them. A stem and leaf diagram consists of a few stems, each with a different number of leaves. So each stem represents a digit in the tens place in a two-digit number, and each leaf represents a digit in ones place in a two-digit number. For example, if there is a number 47, the 4 basically represent stem because it exists on tens place, and 7 represent a leaf of that number because it exists ones place. Before to draw a stem and leaf diagram, we should follow or keep in mind the following steps. Number one, stem must be arranged in numerical order, leaves must be arranged in ascending orders. So no use of commas to separate the leaves. The number of leaves must tally with total number of data. Okay, to explain this concept, we will simplify worked example which is on page number 49. So the table shows the masses in gram of 10 salt containers, which are 56, 58, 67, 72, 61, and so on. So the requirement of the question is represent the data using a stem and leaf diagram. So before to draw this stem and leaf diagram, we have to find out the range of the data. It means that the maximum and the minimum value of the data. As you know that there is 79, the maximum value, and the 50 is the minimum value. So now the maximum value is 79 and the minimum value is 50. So our stem will start with 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Achha. Now we pick one by one value from the data and we will put it into our table. So the first number is 56. In 56, the first number, which is 5, that is the stem, and the 6, that is the leaf of this number. So put this number in the first stem, 6. The second one is 58. It is also in the same stem, 8. Then 67 in the second stem, 7. 72 in the third stem, 61 in the first stem, second stem, 63 in the second stem, 76 third stem, 50 0 in the first stem, 64 in the second stem, and 79 in the third stem. So through this you can see, so we have convert our data into stem and leaf diagram. So there you can see that, so the stems, arrange the stems in numerical order. They are in 5, 6, 7 in column wise. So the leaves should be arranged in ascending orders and they are in a row wise. So the key shows 5 to 6. This 5 and this 6 shows that it is a number 56, which means that 56 gram. So hope so you understand this concept. So following this concept, you can easily simplify practice now 3, practice now 4 of this chapter, or exercise 16a, question number 3, 9, 10, and 12, and review exercise question number 3 and 5 can be simplified by following this concept.